Meet Remus and Romulus, the first two direwolves since the Pleistocene era. At just 15 days old, the pups take their first wobbly steps before a much-needed nap time. At 1 month, the pups enter a pivotal stage of development, the transitional phase. Here, they begin to growl, chew, and take the first steps into the world beyond the den. But growing up is no small task, and these little ones have certainly earned their rest. Three months in, the pups begin socialization, a key phase in their development. Weaning starts gradually, while play sharpens their instincts and strengthens their bonds. And with a mouthful of growing teeth, chewing is serious business. Antlers and sticks help keep their fangs fit and strengthen their bones.